Okay, here is our coker. This is a 160,000 BTU stove. This will do up to 3,000 square foot. Do even more depending on installation. This is our standard, like all of our other stoves. It's got the flat grate design along with more grates for the BTUs. So every stove that you get from us, they're all designed the same, just different sizes. Again, this one's 160,000 BTUs. This one right here is a Koker Light, which is a step down from this guy. It's 105,000 BTUs. We ended up producing this stove, I want to say about 5 years ago. We always had customers calling, oh, well, the price is too expensive. Well, here we came up with a design that was a cheaper made product. Still blows the heat, still makes the heat, works great. Again, 105,000 BTUs. This one will do up to 2,500 square foot. All of our units can burn rice, or buckwheat, as long as it's a chimney model. Direct vent models, you must burn rice.
Inside, this is going to be the Keystoker, the Koker, the big furnace. This is going to be the slanted grate with the pot in the bottom. You have the ash pan clean out. Just opens up, slides right out. Inside the firebox on the Keystoker, this is the Koker Light furnace. You can see inside the pot. And your ash pan clean out located below. Simple, easy peasy, pulls right out.